What is the sales process at WLM? 1. The phone call into our office is answered by dedicated office staff. 2. Answer a few questions. We get some contact information, tell us about what you need help with or want to accomplish. 3. Schedule an initial consultation with someone from our sales team. 4. Sales team members meets with you at your property to discuss your needs, wants, expectations, and budget. 5. Our sales team member can sometimes create proposals on site. If not, site information is gathered and a landscape design and formal proposal are created. 6. We then schedule a proposal appointment with our sales team member to go over information, make any adjustments or changes, and then finalize paperwork and schedule the appointment. Total time from first phone call to scheduling is 14 days or less.